LG laptops are known for their ultra-portable, thin and lightweight design, offering great set of specification at an affordable price compared to HP, Dell, Lenovo and Apple. Here in this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing recently launched latest LG laptops that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which LG laptop did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. LG Gram 14. The LG Gram 14 packs a 14-inch WUXGA display with a Full HD Plus resolution and anti-glare IPS technology. LG claims that it covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color game mode, which should provide vibrant colors, and it is ideal for any media professional. LG has claimed that the new Gram range is focusing on portability, shown in its 1000 gram or 1 kg weight. Comes with the latest and the powerful 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor, coming with Intel Iris Xe graphics in either i7 or i5 configuration. It can also be configured to an NVIDIA RTX 2050 GPU, which was launched specifically for low-end creator devices, suggesting it will pack more power than the Intel GPU option. Gram 14 is also Intel Evo certified, meaning that it has passed a strict set of tests set by Intel, ensuring that it packs an ultra-portable design and speedy load-up times. The laptop comes with either 16GB, 8GB or 32GB of LPDDR5 memory and NVMe Generation 4 storage in either 256GB or 512GB SSD. The Gram 14 will be available in 3 colors, that is Snow White, Obsidian Black and Charcoal Grey. Coming to the price, it will cost you around $1,100 to $1,200 in the international market and around 80 to 90,000 Indian rupees. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and fight from there. LG Gram 17. Big, beautiful, ultra thin and lightweight. The largest laptop in the latest Gram lineup. The Gram 17 packs a 17-inch WQXGA anti-glare IPS display with a 99% of DCI-P3 coverage and a Quad HD resolution. It also features a 16:10 aspect ratio, making it ideal productivity device. The Intel Evo laptop features a 12th generation Intel Core i7 CPU and either an NVIDIA RTX 2050 GPU or Intel Iris Xe graphics. Carries up to 32GB of LPDDR5 memory and up to 1TB of NVMe SSD. LG claims that the battery can last up to 12 hours during regular use and 17.5 hours during video playback. Though we are not sure about this kind of battery life, but it may give you up to 13 to 14 hours of battery life easily. In terms of weight, it's no surprise that this is the heaviest laptop due to its large screen at 1.35 kg. The LG Gram 17 has starting price of $1,400 in the international market, and it is available to buy from LG website also. LG Gram 15, the ultralight laptop with a 15-inch IPS touchscreen display powered by Intel's 12th generation Core i7 processor with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of NVMe SSD storage, comes with Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4 and Windows 11 Home support. The major attraction is not only the 12th generation CPU but also 15-inch Full HD IPS display with a DCI P3 99%, a screen that can make your visions come to life with, and a bold DCI P3 99% color game mode to add a realistic touch to the graphics. Coming to the battery life, it packs a 80 Wh battery that guarantees you up to 13 hours of battery life, but the company claims 18 hours of battery life. Coming to the connectivity option, connect with confidence 2 USB Type-C ports with a Thunderbolt 4 support, 2 USB Type-A 3.2 ports and a full-size HDMI port and a microSD card reader and a 3.5mm audio jack. LG Gram 14 2-in-1 laptop. LG Gram 14 2-in-1 laptop comes with an amazing specification at an affordable price and give you 2-in-1 form factor. This laptop is MIL STD 810G certified and LG Gram 2-in-1 delivers in even the toughest condition. Laptop comes with a fingerprint reader, just touch the power button to instantly turn on your LG. It comes with the extended keycaps, big flat keypads means faster typing. Comes with an enhanced keystroke. Keystroke increase from 1.5mm to 1.65mm compared to prior models for more comfortable typing. Comes with a 16:10 touchpad, gives you more control even if you don't use a mouse. Another most attractive thing is its DTX X Ultra. Comes with a 2-watt speakers and max 5-watt smart amp for realistic audio and sound effects. Plus DTS X Ultra provides more immersive 3D audio rendering with or without headphones. LG Gram 16, overall the best LG laptop. LG Gram 16 is also Intel Evo certified, coming with a 12th generation Intel i7 CPU. It has the same Intel Iris Xe and Nvidia RTX 2050 graphics option as the Gram 14, coming with either an 80 Wh or 90 Wh battery, with the former coming with the internal GPU and the later with the external GPU. LG claims that it can last up to 20.5 hours, highest in the LG Gram lineup. But this is company claim, you may get nearly around 15 hours of battery life. The 16-inch WQXGA anti-glare IPS display has a Quad HD resolution and it comes with a 99% DCI-P3 coverage and 350 nits of peak brightness. This laptop weighs more than its younger brother at 1.19 kg, making it less portable option. It comes with a 16GB LPDDR5 memory and up to 1TB NVMe SSD storage. The LG Gram 16 has a starting price of around $1,300 and can be found on the LG website. It also comes with the same 3 colorways as the Gram 14, that is Snow White, Obsidian Black and a charcoal grey color. So these are the 5 amazing LG laptops that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.